All right, here's what I'm up against, or what I'm planning on doing. Please, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, follow me along this journey. This is what I'm planning on taking this PU-75 World War One generator head and getting some stainless steel. I'm going to make some 3 hydrogen fuel cells, maybe 4. Start with 3, and you see I'm already taking it apart, cleaning everything up. Going to pull that out. But anyway, this is the goal. As we know, the diesel fuel, all the fuel prices have gone up. Well, see what I got here. What I drive is a big old Power Stroke 7.3 liter diesel. So at this current time, it is $5.19 here locally in Kentucky area. But what I'm going to do is underneath of here, I'm going to take and mount this generator head right up on top of the rear end housing. I don't know if try to back up so you can see it. Mount it up here, and going to put me a pulley on my drive shaft. So as I'm going down the road, it'll spin and power the generator head, which will produce 120 volts of current. And if it comes out to be AC, which somebody told me the old military generators was DC and they converted it, but I'll know that more about that when I put it on a tester and run it and find out what it's actually producing. But I'm going through it right now. But I'm going to, like I said, build the hydrogen fuel cells so that when I'm driving, I'll be producing hydrogen. I'm hoping that, let's see, we'll only know as we go along this journey. But you'll see I got plenty of room up there from that rear end housing up to the bottom bit of the, of course my truck sets really high. You know, it's lifted 6 inches, so I mean it's a pretty beast of a truck. But what I'm going to do, I'm hoping, if my numbers are right, depending on the amount of electrolytes that you put and how many plate cells, but like I said, I'm going to run 3 of them, 3 individuals. I'm hoping to produce about 20 liters of hydrogen a minute. Now, it's mostly going to benefit me on the interstate, not so much in the city, because when I stop, the generator will stop spinning. And as I go, it'll start producing, and I'll have a command center in there. Let me know my voltage, my amperage, and I got a flow meter that's going to go in there. But I'm hoping on the interstate, cruising along, I will not have to push down the throttle pedal quite as far. I'm hoping not any. I'm hoping just idle, but that's probably not going to happen. But the less you push down on the pedal, the least amount of fuel you're going to burn. So if that thing will produce enough to maintain going down the interstate, then I'm going to be happy. So follow me along this journey, and it's going to be a while, so don't expect me to get this video up and going in a week. It takes a long time getting this stainless steel and finding somebody with a shear and shear it. I'm going to plan on running 8-inch 316 grade stainless steel plates, and each individual cell I'm planning on running 64 plates, maybe 63. 61 will give you, for 120 volt, 61 plates is what it is. because you got one at the very end at your start. You can't count that one, but every other one you count them as 2 volts. And so 120 divided by 2 at 60. So that'd be 60 plates along there. And then the very end one, like I'm saying, that's, you don't count that one, but that'll be 61 plates. The reason I'm thinking going 63 is because I think I can get away with it. Drop the voltage down to like 1 and not quite 3/4 of a volt. The cooler you can run that, the better. You can jam it, put a positive and negative side by side, and it'll produce, but it'll produce a whole lot of steam, which you do not want. You don't want to build a heat up, because then as you're producing, going to the front into your engine, you're carrying your water going up there, and we don't want that. We want to, of course, it'll circulate. You'll see as you follow me along, as I put the bubblers. I'm gonna put a backflash arrestor, which diesels don't run off of a spark plug like a car. So I really don't have a spark. It runs off of combustion. When the combustion squeezes that pressure so high, that makes the diesel fire. Now this hydrogen, like I said, it's going to benefit me multiple ways. It's going to, diesels are not really efficient. A lot of unburnt fuel. If you see a truck blowing black smoke out, that's unburnt fuel is what that is. And the hydrogen, it ignites and burns so much faster, it'll help that diesel fuel completely burn up. So there again, more power. And so more power, you don't have to push the pedal down. And you keep them your foot off the pedal quite as far down. You're not using that much fuel. But like I said, I'm just getting into this because I can't. $5.19, and they're looking at going even further with this diesel and gasoline. So please follow me along. Sorry it took so long, but I'm trying to tell you what my plan is as my starting video. So get your interest, like, share, subscribe, follow me along, and together let's see if we can figure this out. And I want to share it with everybody. I don't want to keep this information for myself. If I can share it with you all, and you all benefit from it, then that's a win-win for me. I don't care. I want everybody to save money, because everything's gone up. Food, your house, lights and gas and water, everything. So, all right, I blabbed enough. Thanks a lot, and follow me along. Bye-bye for now.